What's going on, guys? Noah Brewer here, back again with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about things that you can do if your ads are not spending. So in order to know what to do, you got to understand what causes this. So there's a ton of different stuff that can cause this, and I have a little list put up on my screen, and I'm just going to read from them. And this isn't even all the things that could cause it. These are just all the things that I can think of on the spot. So I'm just going to read from the list. These are the more obvious ones. Number one is you missed a payment, meaning your ads are paused because you missed a payment. The way you check this is just switch your columns to the delivery section and look at the delivery column. It'll tell you. The next one is your ad got disapproved. Same thing, just check it on the delivery column. It'll be red and it'll say not approved. The next one is your ad got flagged for potential negative experience. This happens with some ad copies. Maybe you have too much all cap lettering, or maybe you have, share with a friend in the text or something. The way that you check that is you click edit on the ad level, and it'll tell you, it's like a big yellow warning up top. Your ad was flagged for too much text. Same exact thing, just click edit on the ad level, and it'll give you a little warning, should be yellow. It'll tell you like how much text, and it'll tell you that your ad was flagged. Your ads won't spend if this happens. The other thing is your page is under customer satisfaction penalty. This basically happens when you get, over 500 sales, Facebook starts reviewing your customers and kind of giving them surveys asking, how's the shipping time, how's the product quality, how's the customer service. And if you have too many negative reviews, Facebook actually gives you a customer satisfaction score. And if your score is below 2%, then they stop showing your ads to as many people, which could directly relate to your ads not spending. So that's one thing that if it does happen, it'll pop up on your screen right when you load up the ads manager, and it'll tell you that your customer satisfaction score is low, therefore your ads will reach fewer people. So there's some more deeper reasons, but those are just the obvious ones, the ones that are easy to check. Another reason is your ad set country targeting is not set to what you want it to be, whether it's empty or too narrow. So you just check what country that you're targeting. I know that when you don't put in a country at all, it'll actually not spend in most cases. So that's definitely one thing that you want to check and just make sure that you're targeting the right countries. The next thing that I would check is manual bidding. If you accidentally set up a bid cap or you accidentally set up the wrong conversion window, it can affect the way that your ads are spending. The next one is you accidentally set your ads to the different budget. This is very obvious. You just need to check the budget, make sure that it is what you thought it was going to be. If you think that you're looking at a $10 a day ad set, but you might be looking at a $1 a day ad set. So that's like really obvious, but it's worth a check anyways. The next thing is a little bit less obvious, and this one tends to slip through the cracks a lot, is your campaign is on, your ad set is on, but your ad is not on. So there's three different levels. You have the campaign level, the ad set level, and the ad level. You want to make sure that each level is turned on and all good to go, because sometimes ads turn off for no reason. I'm not sure why. The next reason is your Facebook page unpublished. Now, there was a glitch going around a few weeks ago where Facebook would actually randomly unpublish people's pages, and this would result in Facebook not being able to show your ads to people because your page is not public. The best way to check this is to go to your page settings and make sure that your page is published. You can just look up how to publish a Facebook page online if you're not sure where to look. The next one is your time frame is on the wrong dates. This isn't actually something that you can edit on the ad or the ad set or the campaign. It's actually in the ads manager in the top left. If your date range is on last 7 days, or maybe it's on a date range from a couple weeks ago, it's not going to show that your newer ads are spending. So make sure that you put lifetime in the time frame, and that way you can see the ads spending today, yesterday, and the day before, and in the lifetime, because you wouldn't believe how many times people have come to me like, my ad is not spending, but you check their lifetime and it literally spent all the money today. It just didn't show because they had it on last 7 days. So which is pretty funny, but that's something obvious. The next one is you have a filter on. If you're filtering by active or you're filtering by certain campaigns, your ad set might not even show, so that could be one of the reasons. And the next one, if it's one of your retargeting ad sets, it's possible that your custom audience wasn't made correctly or it didn't populate correctly. And the way you check that is you just go to the audience tab and look at, it should have a little green dot that says ready. And one way to tell is if you know for a fact that you had 10,000 link clicks and it's a page view audience and it says fewer than 1,000 people, chances are that audience did not populate correctly or you didn't make it correctly. So there's a ton of different reasons why this happens. You just need to understand, the basic reasons why it happens, because these are the most common reasons, in my opinion, in my experience. These are the reasons why, people think that their ads aren't spending, because it's pretty simple to fix. You just got to kind of know what to look for. And I just know because I've had all these things happen to me. You're wondering why they're not spending and the page is unpublished. Or you wonder why it's not spending and you're looking at last 7 days. Or you wonder why it's not spending and you don't even have a country in the country on the ad set. So I just wanted to come on here and talk about, what to do in this situation and how to handle it. Worst comes to worst, you can just reach out to Facebook support and most of the time they'll tell you why your ads are not spending. But that was it for this video. If you liked it, leave a like. If you want more videos like this, drop a subscribe. I post every single weekday. But that's it for this video. This is Noah Brewer and I'm out. Peace.